Welcome back to Automotive Detailing. In this video, we're going to take a look at Griot's Garage's lint-free glass towels. Let's do it. So glass cleaning is the one thing that most detailers absolutely hate to do. It's the last step of every detail that I do, and it always ends up being an absolute pain. Somewhere along the line, the last several months, I got lint in my towels. I have no idea how, because I'm a stickler when it comes to cleaning. I use a dedicated microfiber cleaner. I do a double rinse to make sure I get all the soap out of it, and then I hang dry. I never dry in the dryer, and somewhere along the lines I got lint, and it seems like it's on every towel that I touch now. And I have a lot of towels, and it's way too expensive to replace them all. And you know, to be honest with you, on paint, if it's a light colored car, you really don't see it, and after the first rain or wash, it's gone, the lint's gone. But on dark colored car, man, after you get on detailing, you're gonna notice if you have lint on the paint. So I gotta figure out something to do with my towels, but that's neither here nor there for this video, because this video is about the lint-free glass cleaning towels by Griot's Garage. I was at their caffeine and gasoline car event yesterday here in Indianapolis, Indiana. I got to meet Richard Griot's and Nick Griot's finally. It's been a long time coming. I sat and we talked, I shouldn't say we sat, stood and talked to Nick for over an hour. And I think my wife was getting pretty bored there by the end of the conversation, but I absolutely had a blast talking to him. I ended up not even really seeing any cars there because I was focused on talking to Nick Griot's, talking about the company and this and that, and it was an absolutely fantastic time. By the time I got done talking, I turned around, most of the cars were gone. So I made my order and came home. I had to finish the cards behind it. But I want to show something really quick. Everybody seems to think that every single video that I make is sponsored, and that is not the case. A lot of my videos are sponsored, yes, because companies send me stuff all the time. That's kind of the perks of doing YouTube videos. But when they send you it, that makes it a sponsored video, whether you're getting paid or not, and I don't ever get paid. Now this products here, as far as the glass cleaning towels, any of this stuff, I paid for all this stuff. But I spent $244, let me show you guys, right there, yesterday. And here is the 150 pack of lint-free towels. I highlighted it. And it's I paid $23.39 is what I paid for them. And normally they're $25.99, but they had 10% off because it's the day of the show. I've had these two glass cleaning products for a long time. In fact, I've had the window cleaner. As you can see, the decal's actually coming off of it for a while. It's been a while since I've used it. I absolutely love their aerosol ultra premium glass cleaner. I didn't even see if they still offer it. I'm sure they do because this stuff is fantastic, but I'm not sure on their website. But I know as a package deal, you can buy these two right here for like $30. But as I was going through my catalog, trying to figure out what I needed before the car show, because I know they always have a percentage off when you go, this is something that I've always known they had, but when I saw in their catalogs, I gotta get that. I'm gonna get that this time when I go, because you guys know I have like pretty much every product that Griot's Garage offers, pretty much as far as liquid products for sure. As far as tools, not necessarily, but this is one thing that I had missing. And I thought it was a fantastic idea because it's $26 for 150 if you don't get any percentage off. That's like 16 or 17 cents a towel. I think that's a no-brainer if it's gonna eliminate any type of lint or anything on the windows. We're gonna see how well they work. If it takes 1 or 2 to do a window, I don't know. We're gonna find out because I think as you saturate it, you may need a dry one behind it. We're gonna find that out together, I don't know. And you guys know as well as I do, if you have lint on your towels, a tinted window will tell you immediately. And the last thing you want is a customer to get in their car after you get done making the car look amazing, and then they get in there and be like, what the heck are these spots all over my glass? Because lint will show up on glass. It's so noticeable, especially once the sun hits it. So it's a big thing to me, and I'm hoping this just makes my cleaning experience even better at the end of all the details that I do, because I'm at the end of this detail and I'm getting ready to clean the windows and be done with it. All right, so I want to give you guys an example first. Let's start that way. I did look on their website. This is still on there, and it's only $6 for the can. I'm telling you guys, it is really, really good stuff. A small window. This is what I normally use for glass cleaning. This is a glass cleaning towel. Now let me show you what I meant by if you have tinted windows, you will see the lint. Looks like little pieces of hair. You see all that? That's what I need to try to stop having. Okay, so now you can see it. See all these specks? Yep, all that is lint. Looks like little pieces of hair right in there, coming down. Some of these specks are actually in the glass, but just, look at that's all lint right there. So that's what I'm trying to eliminate. So let's take it over here to this window. Let's look at it before, because I did have to wipe on these when I was using the products that I was using. Okay, there's just specks on this glass. Take you guys back off. These are just like water spots and stuff. I don't really see any lint at all, so. These feel kind of weird. So there it is. Right there, I'd say that's a 16 by 16, just by looking at it. There's no direction, so I'm sure we have, this is the side we use, because this side kind of has like a, I'm not really sure what's on that side, to be honest with you, but we're gonna use this side right here, and I will get a second one out just because for drying. And the first one, let's use the original window cleaner. Oh, crap. It's been a while since I used this. There we go. Okay. Let's just flip it over to the dry side. See what that looks like. A little bit of streaking right here. I didn't get all of it off. Oh, it's making my hair stand up in my arms. Yeah, there we go. Look how much better that glass looks. Now you're seeing pitting is what you're seeing, but there's no lint. And that's what I am going for. Of course, you don't normally put a paint light on your glass, right? So this is what you normally see. That versus seeing that right there. That's lint. That worked great. I'm very happy with that. That is going to make my job so much easier at the end of a detail. So here's one that I haven't done, so this is the other side of this window. So let's go ahead and just do that one really quick. Just need a little squirt, if I can get just a little squirt out of that. There we go. Kind of weird, is it? They are a little bit grabby. It's different than using a microfiber, that's for sure. But that, I mean, that's night and day difference compared to what I am used to seeing. In fact, you know what? I had to rub across this sunroof earlier when I was cleaning the roof. Yeah, look at that. You guys see all that lint, I'm hoping? Going across there. That's what I'm trying to get rid of. And this did it. I mean, look at that. Night and day difference. All right, let's use a premium glass cleaner on this one. I like both of these. I think that the premium glass cleaner, this stuff, the aerosol, I think it seems to clean a little bit better. I think it's a little bit stronger. And you don't use as much product because it's in the aerosol form. Both are great glass cleaners though. Don't get me wrong. And that looks so nice now. And that worked just as good as you can see. That was great. No lint at all. So now the question is will it eliminate the lint back here where I put lint in on purpose? I hope so. It'd suck if it didn't. And then I gotta get rid of the lint on top of the sunroof too. Oh, kind of slipped out my hand there. These are a bit grabby compared to using a microfiber, like I said earlier. I think that eliminated the lint. It did. Check that out. That looks amazing. All right, so let's get the light and let's put it on this window and show you where the lint was before, which was up here. See how the lint is gone? That is awesome. The pitting in the glass, that's normal on aged glass. I have not cleaned the inside of the windows, so you guys are gonna see stuff inside the glass, but like right here, it's all inside. All I see is pitting, zero lint, none at all. Show you this lint up here again. See that lint? Yeah, that's what lint looks like. This is just, what you're seeing here is just pitting. That stuff works awesome. I mean, those towels are amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the whole entire car, inside and out, and I will keep track of how many towels. I won't throw them away. I'll put them down and we'll show you how many towels it took to do the car, and we'll figure out how much it costs to clean the windows of this car. All right, so all the windows are done. I ended up using 4, so that cost me like less than 60 cents to do it. I probably could have got away with 3. But as I saturated one, I really just wanted to go, I just went on to another one. I probably could have used a saturated one the whole time, but it started getting a little bit dirty. All the glass looks amazing. So simple to use. Don't have to worry about lint being left behind. This side over here, for the most part, I use the aerosol. And I use the aerosol on the windshield. I'll show you from the inside. Looking out, I mean, it's like the glass isn't even there, other than it's tinted, obviously. From the inside, like I said, it's like the glass isn't even there. That looks absolutely amazing. Oh, and I did the sunroof at the very end to get the lint off of the sunroof. As you can see, look at the light. Maybe a few stragglers here and there, but it'll wash off. Back window. Those are actually spots right there. Hard water spots. I may have missed a spot right there. I kind of hurried through. This side I use the window cleaner on, inside and out. There is scratches going across here from what looks like fingernails. But as you can see, the glass is just crystal clear. Absolutely crystal clear now, like it's not even there. So now my last step, which I'm not gonna put in this video, I'll be installing the Griot's Garage glass sealant. You guys, I have a video about this on this product. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. It's cheap. One bottle will do a lot of cars. I don't know how many cars I've done with this bottle, probably 4 or 5. So I just went ahead and left my car a mess because I can show you guys. As you can see, they started getting a little dirty. Even though the car was clean, you can see dirt spots. That's why I decided to go to a second one. And then as I was wiping off the sunroof with the lint, it got lint on these, so I had to get another one out. That's the only reason I used 4. Otherwise, I could have used probably 3, maybe even 2, to be honest with you, and been done with it. So this cost me 60 cents is what this cost me to clean the windows on this. And to get those results, I will spend $1. It doesn't, I mean, you know what I mean? It's worth it to me to not have the headache that I normally have when cleaning windows. And like I said, then I'll finish it up with some glass sealant. I love this stuff. I have like 2 more bottles in there. I use it all the time. It's so easy to use and just fantastic results. You guys, you will not be disappointed if you go and you buy these. Now they're different. They're different because normal microfibers, you know, glide pretty easy. These are kind of grabby, and it kind of slipped out of my hand a few times. Never fall on the floor or anything, but kind of slipped out of my hands or pulled it. But it's not a big deal because of the results that you get, and it's because it's a paper towel versus using a microfiber. And you guys, like I said, this is $6 on their website. I love their ultra premium glass cleaner. It's fantastic. I have several bottles of that. And then their old formula window cleaner works awesome as well. No issues with either one. Both are window tint safe. And you guys, like I said, you won't be disappointed if you buy any of this stuff for your car, and it's gonna make your vision so much better, especially now that winter is here for the states that have snow and ice and stuff like that. You're gonna have clearer vision, and it just makes it much safer for you, your wife, or whoever, your significant other, to drive the vehicle. Make it safer for daytime driving, nighttime driving, storms, snow, whatever, it's gonna make their vision so much better, and that's what it's all about in the end. I will make sure I include a link in the description to these products, so you guys can go find it there. It'll take you to Griot's Garage website where you can buy these. If they are on Amazon, I will put them in my Amazon store as well. There'll be a link in the description of the video for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you in the next video.